Dear students, today I shall discuss negative part 2. But before beginning the video, I want to say, if you want to learn negative, then you have to watch the whole of the video up to end, and you have to watch both of the parts of the video, negative part 1 and part 2. And if you find helpful, then my request is to subscribe and to like my channel. Now I am going to describe some of the sentences which are universal truth. You know what is universal truth? Which is always true. It never changes. Which never changes. The events never change is called universal truth. जो इवेंट कभी नहीं चेंज होते हैं, कभी चेंज नहीं होते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं? यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ सेंटेंस. वो उस इवेंट को हम सेंटेंस में एक्सप्रेस करें तो उसे यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ सेंटेंस कहते हैं. लाइक मिल्क इज व्हाइट, ग्रास इज ग्रीन, स्काई इज ब्लू, sugar is sweet, coal is black, man is mortal. I have written some of the universal truth sentences. Now I will discuss how can we make this universal truth sentence into negative. How can we make universal truth sentence negative? If we want to turn a universal truth sentence into negative, then we have to bring a new word, that is but, which means besides. This part we have to bring to make negative of a universal truth sentence. That is, before the auxiliary verb of this sentence, there is subject milk. In the first tense sentence, milk is white, milk is the subject, grass is green, grass is the subject. What shall we do then? We will add milk is not but white. Milk is not but white. What shall we do here? हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस के जो रूल है नेगेटिव करने का, उस रूल के मुताबिक जस्ट आफ्टर द ऑक्सिलरी we add not, and just after the not we have to add but, and after that the remaining parts of the sentence we have to write. That is, again I am saying, after the subject of the sentence there is an auxiliary. Just after the auxiliary we will add not but, and then the remaining parts of the sentence we will write. The second sentence, the subject is grass. After grass the auxiliary is, and after the grass is not, after not we will add but. The grass is not but green. The grass is not but green. हम इसका मतलब क्या होते हैं? मिल्क इज व्हाइट, मिल्क व्हाइट है. हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? क्या मिल्क इज नॉट व्हाइट, यदि हम लिखे मिल्क इज नॉट व्हाइट तो मिल्क व्हाइट नहीं है तो कौन सा कलर का है? हो नहीं सकता। तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? मिल्क व्हाइट के अलावा दूसरा कोई कलर का नहीं है। मिल्क व्हाइट के अलावा दूसरा कोई कलर के नहीं है, मतलब मिल्क व्हाइट ही है। लाइक दैट ग्रास इज ग्रीन, यदि हम बोले ग्रास इज नॉट ग्रीन तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है? ग्रास इज नॉट ग्रीन तो कौन सा कलर का है? वो हो ही नहीं सकता। ग्रास तो ग्रीन ही है। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? एक्सेप्ट ग्रीन, ग्रास किसी भी कलर का नहीं है, मतलब ग्रास ग्रीन ही है। द स्काई इज ब्लू, द स्काई इज ऑलवेज ब्लू, वी नो। सो हम लिखेंगे स्काई ब्लू के अलावा एक्सेप्ट ब्लू, स्काई दूसरा कोई कलर का नहीं है। ये कैसे लिखेंगे हम? द स्काई इज नॉट बट ब्लू। लाइक दिस, sugar, the next sentence, sugar is not but sweet. शुगर स्वीट बिना दूसरा कोई टेस्ट का नहीं है। लाइक कोल इज ब्लैक, कोल इज नॉट बट ब्लैक। एंड द लास्ट वन इज मैन इज मॉर्टल, मैन is not but immortal. Man is not but immortal. This is how we can turn a universal truth sentence into negative sentence. But we have to notice one thing in this sentence. In every sentence there is auxiliaries. In every sentence there is auxiliary. There may be many sentences in which we may not find auxiliary, and I am going to write those type of sentence now. You may imagine a sentence like the sun rises in the east. It is a universal truth sentence but in which there is no auxiliary. Like this, the sun sets in the west, the stars glitter at night. The stars glitter at night. The sun, third person singular number. The sun, third person singular number. The stars, third person plural number. The sun, subject of this sentence is third person singular number. दूसरा second sentence में भी एक ही है, the sun, third person singular number subject, and in the last sentence the subject of this sentence is in the third person plural number. We have to notice how can we transfer this sentence into negative. We will write, we know the rule of the present tense. How can we transfer a sentence from affirmative to a negative sentence in present indefinite tense? Like that rule, we will just add not but. And after not but, the subject, the verb of this sentence will be in the main form of the, will be in the main form or in the present form or V1 form of the verbs. That is, the sun does not. Why does not? There is S with the verb. The sun third person singular number, so S is added with the verb, and that is why we write the sun does not. After does not, we will add but. The son does not but. And after but, the verb of this sentence will be in the present form of the verbs. That is rise. Rise. We will avoid s. The sun does not but rise in the east. इसका मतलब हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? सब्जेक्ट के पीछे यदि सब्जेक्ट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर का हो तो सब्जेक्ट के पीछे हम डज नॉट ऐड करेंगे और डज नॉट के पीछे हम बट ऐड करेंगे और बट के बाद उस सेंटेंस का जो वर्ब होगा उस वर्ब में यदि एस और एस है तो उसको हटा के हम लिखना पड़ेगा. तो the sun does not but rise in the east. Like this sentence, we can do this sentence also. The sun does not but set in the west. But in the third sentence, the stars glitter at night. In this sentence, the subject is third person plural number, so we have to add do not. The stars do not but glitter at night. Thus, we can transfer the universal truth sentences into negative sentence. नंबर इसके बाद मैं बातचीत करना चाहता हूं दूसरा सेंटेंस के बारे में जिस सेंटेंस में हमको मिल सकते हैं everything. We can find we have everything. In some of the sentences we get everything, everybody, everything, everybody, either, either. This type of word we can get. We can find this type of word in many of the sentences. Then how can we turn those sentences into negative? Just we have to bring the opposite word of these words. Can I clarify the thing? I am going to write a sentence. Everything is good for us. A sentence. Another sentence I am going to write. Everybody was present there. Everybody was present there. Then what shall we do here to turn these sentences into negative? We just have to bring opposite word of these words. That is everything. The opposite word of everything is everything have to be brought. That is nothing is good for us. Nothing is the opposite of everything, and we just bring nothing in place of everything. Thus it becomes negative. Nothing is good for us. हमारे लिए कुछ भी गुड नहीं है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. Everybody इसका ऑपोजिट होते हैं nobody. Nobody was present there. Like this sentence, opposite of either is neither. If we find either in a sentence, then we will replace neither in place of either. That is, you may join either party. To make it negative, we only have to replace neither in place of either. Like that, I either go to Kolkata. I either go to Kolkata. We have to bring only the opposite of either, that is never. I never go to Kolkata. This type of sentence we turn into negative like this. We only have to bring the opposite of the word, like everything, everybody, either, either. We have to bring the opposite of these words. And the last one is, there are some sentences in which we cannot add not. We have to add no only. We have to add only no. Those words are many. Many, some, several, several, lots of, a lot of, a lot of, a great number of, a great number of, and many, etc. If we find these words, any of these words in a sentence, then how can we make those sentences into negative? Very simple. We only have to bring no in place of these words. That is, I have many books in my bag. I have many books in my bag. We have to do I have no. In place of many, we will write no. And after no, the noun will be in similar number. That is, I have no book in my bag. जब कोई किताब का बाद ही नहीं है, कुछ भी कोई भी किताब नहीं है, there is no book, then there is nothing to talk about plural number. I have no book in my bag. That is, after no, just after no, the noun will be in singular number. Another sentence, he has some money in his pocket. In his pocket. Then we have only bring he has no. In place of some, we will write no. He has no money in his pocket. He has no money in his pocket. Like these two sentences, many and some, we use many and some in these two sentences. We can also use lots of, a lot of, a great number of, a great quantity of, this type of words. And we have only to bring no in place of those words. And we have to do one thing, that is, we have to write the singular noun form of the noun given in the sentence. Thus, we can transfer the affirmative sentences into negative sentence. Thank you.